Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. Guys, we're going to be unofficially unboxing one of the coolest pairs of 20s, another collegiate pair. These are the Tennessee Orange with black iridium. But before we check these out, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As always, check out our other videos. We have so much awesome, so much exclusive content, so many underrated videos. Definitely check out our other videos. And absolutely, if you haven't yet read my book, definitely check out my book. All kinds of positive feedback. Listen, this book is motivational, it's educational, inspirational. It is packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. It's a great and fun and entertaining read. Even if you don't like to read, I promise you will love this book. Definitely check it out. Links are going to be below in the description. So, the 20s, we got a lot of them. We got a lot of collegiate series. This pair, I'll give you guys a quick story here. I was actually, as you know, we got the boxes for most of our vintage Oakleys. And that's a big deal, especially for collectors, especially for vintage pairs. So, you want to have the matching box with the matching label, or if it's a pair of X metals, the serial number that matches the box with the serial number on the X metals. Well, in this case, the collegiate pairs are special because they were primarily given out to college teams, but they also were sold at some retail outlets, but pretty tough to find, even back in the day, even in the early 2000s. Now, it's even harder to find these collegiate pairs. This, again, is the Tennessee Orange for the Tennessee Volunteers, also known as the Tennessee Vols. I looked high and low, and I want to apologize to you guys. I searched all over the place for the box, right? I went through case after case, 4 different cases, and I thought, I can't find these things. I'm digging through boxes. I'm digging through all these things, and I finally thought, you know what? I should probably check, because I got the collections page, not complete, but a good chunk of the collection is on Overview, cataloged, especially the vintage pieces, and I said, you know what? I better check Overview. So I checked Overview, and I realized we don't even have the box. This is one of the few pairs that we don't have the box for. So instead of spending, I think, close to 20 or 30 minutes searching for the box, I should have checked Overview first. So I do apologize, we don't have the box. However, we do have a substitute box, kind of like having a substitute teacher. Don't disrespect the substitute teacher. Don't disrespect the substitute box. It's still vintage. It's still Oakley, it's still the 20s, and it is still awesome. So I'm not going to show you the label on the end because it's the incorrect label. It's for another pair of 20s that we have that we'll probably be doing an unboxing for in the not too distant future. Hit that bell icon. But come on in, let's take a look at the box. You know the box, you know the drill. It's the old school black and white from the late 90s and early 2000s. You got a silhouette or a picture of the 20s here that spills over to the bottom, which is really cool. You've got your ellipse on the top. You've got your info on the back, the Oakley 20 logo, the patent numbers, and it's got a little bit of additional information there. And again, the end here, the side where it's got the information, I'm going to cover that up. That's a secret for now, but definitely check out our future videos. But let's unbox these. And come on in. Come on in. What do we have in here? Oh, you know what? We got an empty box, guys. I forgot to put the 20s. I really did. Look, I got a micro clear bag. That's all right. We're gonna improvise. We're gonna improvise. My wife is tired of shooting videos, so I'm not gonna start over. Just hang tight for a few seconds. It's okay, guys. It's all right. We're going to be all right. We're going to get through this. Hang tight for a few seconds. I'm going to grab the key. I know right where they are. I forgot to get them out. Just focus on look at the cool stuff there. I'm going to go grab the 20s. They're in the double wide over here, front and center, so they're going to be easy to grab. Just give me a few seconds. Wow, this is the first time this has ever happened, right? My wife thinks it's funny, but it's not. But it is the first time this has ever happened. So we're going to kind of unofficially unbox these. But here they are, the Tennessee Vols. Come on in. You've got your sleek aerodynamic frame You've got your Oakley stretch logo in what appears to be white or an off-white color, and the nose bridge here in the center. Black iridium again. And you've got your Tennessee Vols, or Tennessee Volunteers, logo laser etched here on the bottom corner of the left lens, and that's left as you're wearing it. Can we get that in focus? It's going to be kind of tough. Please bear with us. Up, you can see it right there, the T for Tennessee, right? You can see that right there, right where my little fingernail is. Yep. You got your white icons. Actually, these look like pearl white icons. These are nice, these icons here on the ear stems. And white ear socks. On the inside, interestingly, you do not have white nose bombs, but black, right? Unobtainium. And in the center inside of the nose bridge, there's the 20 logo, or the double X logo. It might be a little bit hard to see, but we'll try to get that in focus for you. And this, I believe, on the inside here, the nose bridge, that 20 logo, was probably almost certainly an anti-counterfeiting measure to try to keep it real. On the inside of the right ear sock, by the way, made in USA, we got here CE, which I believe stands for Certified European. Anything on the left ear sock? I don't think so. Left ear sock is plain. But this particular pair was really special because this orange is a very exclusive orange. In fact, I don't believe, aside from the other Collegiate pairs, which of course were the 20s, the M-frames, and the minutes, I don't believe that the Tennessee orange was ever available in any other frame, ever. So they had similar ones. Team Bright Orange was a different type of orange, a different color of orange. We actually have an unboxing video for a pair of Team Bright Orange M-frames and a Tennessee Vols orange, or Tennessee orange M-frame, and we compare the two colors. So again, definitely check out our other videos, and that video is really underrated. But these are exceptional in my opinion. I really like the 20s a lot. I really like this pair a lot. I like the color. I like the exclusivity. I like the fact that they're collegiate. I'm not a huge fan of college sports, so don't hold it against me. But I am a huge fan of vintage Oakleys, and of course these are. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.